look what just came in the mail. My Cirkul water bottle. All right, here's our water bottle. So we have a strawberry watermelon, a strawberry kiwi, also a Fit Sip mixed berry, black cherry for energy, grape for energy, white cherry. Ooh, I love white cherry. This is an active one. A hydration one, peach mango, fruit punch flavor, yum. A watermelon, another hydrate one. Washed my bottle out and filled it with some filtered water. We're going to try the watermelon hydration with no sugar and no calories. No artificial flavors or colors either. All right, here we go. Whoa. Oh my God, that's so good. Ugh, delicious.